Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Excel shortcuts to work faster and boost your productivity. So let's get started. If you use Microsoft Excel regularly, learning keyboard shortcuts is one of the easiest ways to save time. Instead of clicking through menus, you can complete common tasks instantly using just a few keys. Let's start with the basics. Press Ctrl+C to copy selected cells and Ctrl+V to paste them. To cut data, use Ctrl+X. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action and Ctrl+Y to redo it. To save your workbook quickly, press Ctrl+S. It's a good habit to save your work frequently to avoid losing important changes. For formatting, press Ctrl+B to make text bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U to underline selected cells. These shortcuts help you format data much faster. Need to select an entire row? Press Shift plus space. To select an entire column, press Ctrl plus space. If you want to select all the data in your worksheet, simply press Ctrl+A. You can also navigate through your workbook using shortcuts. Press Ctrl arrow keys to jump to the edge of a data range. Press F2 to edit the active cell without double-clicking it. If you frequently enter today's date, press Ctrl plus semicolon. To insert the current time, press Ctrl plus Shift semicolon. One of the most useful shortcuts is Alt plus equals, which automatically inserts the sum formula for a selected range. The more you use these shortcuts, the more natural they become, helping you complete spreadsheets much faster than relying on your mouse. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.